Hey guys, it's 9:10, just getting ready to turn to 9:11, as you can see right there. We're running a 3-winner mini for Bill's awesome Empire Bossk figure. I got 20 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random, to find our 3 winners. As you can see here, I am going to paste the list of 20 entries in. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Top 3 again, win spots in a main. Aaron takes round 1. Anthony round 2 with number 8. Anthony round 3 with number 9. Chris takes round 4. Aaron round 5 again. Troy takes round 6 with number 1. Aaron again on top, this time with number 18 in round 7. Aaron takes our next to last round, round 8 with number 15, bringing us to the always important and meaningful final round. Good luck, battlers. Here we go. Our winners are Chris, Anthony, and Chris again. Congratulations, guys. We'll make it official. Here's the verification. XQJDZQ. Bit of a tongue twister there. There's the results. There we have it. Chris, Anthony, and Chris are our champions for this mini. I'm done at 9:12. As shown here and here. One more time, here's the official results. Congrats to the winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.